See if All-Star Case Breaks doing 2018 Top Series 2 baseball. We were looking for Acuna short prints, rookies, inserts. Killer autograph, anything like that.
Y'all the people, man. What y'all been up doing today?
We did honors football a little bit ago. Right now I'm doing Tops 2 baseball from last year. We're Acuna short print hunting.
You got some of them open?
Which one? The metal?
Yeah, the look like.
Yeah, it's not bad.
All numbers.
One of them isn't. The regular silver and the rose I don't think are. But everything else is.
Stanley Morgan Jeans. His dad was.
I remember his dad.
I knew he played for the Patriots, man.
Yeah, he was a very good player.
But who was the quarterback then?
Steve Grogan.
Yep.
Sometime I got to get my 5 Grogan mini helmet or something. I don't think I have an autograph of him.
And most of your big stars you're gonna find every case.
Are you? How much is the case?
That I don't know. That is a Steve thing.
We don't have any cases.
Oh.
We just have the boxes here. No, we sold through most of it Friday. Unless there's one I don't know about. What's that one? That's not it there. Under my jacket?
That is sweet something. Yeah, that's a case.
Oh, okay. Well, there was one more.
It's, I'm guessing 15 at 90 for a case. Whatever that comes out.
Yeah.
15 at 90.
1350. Right? Yeah.
1350.
But I think like one of the cases that we did had like Kyler, 2 Locks, 2 Haskins, and who's the other dude? Bosa. I don't know the other guys.
Yeah, I pulled double bows out of that stuff I bought from y'all.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, that'd be a cool card.
Yeah. Give me about 6 boxes of it, man.
Okay. You want to pick the boxes?
1 through 11.
I'll do that.
Okay. Can I just have this stack?
Yep. Pick the whole stack up. It would be a wonderful thing.
Okay. I have to drop it. That is from a fresh case.
Good luck.
So if I don't hit anything, I can come back down here and whoop Steve, right?
That's all my fault if you don't hit anything. It's always my fault, so.
Six. There you go, boss.
All right.
2, 3, 4. There you go, 4. Much is it?
Jackie Bradley.
$5.95.
Matthew Boyd.
5, 80.
Josh Bell.
What's Bowman gonna run?
I don't know. I'm guessing he doesn't either.
More than it should.
More than it should.
Sorry to be so generic. He really doesn't.
Ohtani short print. It's probably going to be in the 130s.
Is that just regular box? What, you gonna have jumbos?
We'll have jumbos.
What
They'll
they
be
go?
over 300.
Ooh.
It's ridiculous. For me to, I'll tell you right now, to me to replace it today, it's $125 a box. Jumbos are over 3 for me to replace it. So
I've heard that from 2 or 3 different people with
it
shows.
just is what it is. I mean, so I mean, I'll probably pretty much sell it at replacement on the day it releases, and then after that, it's going to be more, almost for sure.
Yeah.
You want a box or something? Or a bag? Or
Congratulations on the Ohtani short print.
I do need another one of them boxes. The 4 rows, if you got one, I can get the top loaders in, or a 3 loader like that. Old Tiger put on a show this weekend, didn't
He did. It's unbelievable. It gives all of us hope as we get older, right?
You know, 2 years ago when he come back, all that crap.
Man. I picked this box for you. I'll just take credit. Acuna short print, Ohtani short print in the same box.
Wow.
Of regular hobby. Congratulations, man. Way to keep going, Ralph. Let me put the Ohtani in one too, for that matter.
You talk to them too while you're doing that?
Oh yeah, they talk back to me. Yes.
How can you hear them?
I don't hear them. They type.
Oh, okay. I've watched you on there a couple of times, and I didn't know if you could had an earpiece or
No,
you could talk back to them.
There's actually 2 different feeds, and I'm like trying to watch both of them at the same time. Ohtani regular. Yeah, we'll be on Wednesday morning with Bowman. Assuming people want to break it.
Oh, they'll be wanting to break it. They loaded with rookies too.
Yeah. People I've read say the checklist is pretty strong. I mean, obviously there are lesser guys, but
I still haven't looked at it. I need to look at the checklist.
That is good. Hey, I tell you, do you sell I need a
good luck on the second half.
one of them. I opened up a box of
Okay.
Yeah?
and it had that box filler in there.
Heritage got a bunch of different ones. Which one?
It was the tiny one. It was about this size right here. I didn't know if you had a top load for that. No, you don't. Evidently, you don't sell them single, so it's probably gonna be hard to get them single, ain't it?
Let me see. Give me just a second. how big's the card? Like this?
Addison Reed
Kind of.
Gold.
It was bigger than 3x4, not much though. Oh, dude, be careful, brother.
Oh, man, these wires. There you go.
You ain't gotta sleep for it either, do you?
No. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, with those kind of cards,
Yeah.
they
54 of 299,
they
Eric
see
Timms.
some of them.
Yeah. Y'all watch the Braves Saturday night?
No.
They said they sent
Kenley Jansen, that is 83 of 99, the
they sent news
flip
back
stock
down
or
to
whatever.
Niners.
What?
Yeah.
Joe Mauer jersey.
Well, I know they brung up whatchamacallit, Tukey, for an emergency start for some reason.
Yeah, like a flip stock or whatever.
And but the way I was reading into the article, I know that after the second inning, Braves were up 8-4. Tukey had give up 4 runs.
Bellinger home run
Two.
challenge.
Yeah.
And then he had a good top of the third. And the next morning, I woke up and said that Newcomb had blown the lead. And they said he's put down to AAA or whatever. So
Wow.
they ended up winning the game, I think. But he ain't pitched worth crap. Okay, gents. Y'all have a good day, man.
You too.
Thank you.
Okay, Dave.
Scott Kingery Gold. Well, congrats, man. Let me know if you want another box or anything else. Yeah, I thought there was another box of Leaf, but or another case. But I wasn't sure.
Yeah, it was hiding from you.
Oh, shoot. Better knock.
I do need one of those cord things.
Yeah.
I'm gonna kill myself on this.
All right.